The next problem. X power 6 divided by x power 2 divided by x power 2 power 2. Okay, see here in this one base is same. See, subtract the power. Okay, so you have to write x power 6 minus 2 divided by a power m into n. What is that? A power mn. So x power 2 into 2. See, x power 6 minus 2 means 4 divided by x power 2 into 2, 4. See, x power 4 divided by x power 4 means you have to write x power 4 minus 4. So what is that 4 minus 4? 0. Anything power 0, what is the value? 1. Okay, this is the answer. The next problem, a cube into a square power 4. How can you solve? This is very easiest one. See here base is same. So first you have to add to the power. So a power 3 plus 2 first you have to write and then put power 4. A power 3 plus 2 the value is 5. Write this 4. Here a power 5 into 4 means 5 plus 4. Sorry, 5 into 4. Okay. See what is 5 into 4? 20. So a power 20. Everybody clear? The next problem. Simplify the following by factorization and express in the exponential form. Okay. Okay, this is the question. The first problem, 135 into 375. See, everybody know the multiplication terms. Okay, but you can use, see the question, simplify the following by factorization. First you have to split the factorization concept and express in the exponential form. Then next you have to write the order. Okay, see here how can you write in this one? I have to take in this place. Okay, see here 135 into 375. I have to write in this side. Okay, see what is 135? 135 means how many 5 is there? First you have to take the fifth table. So 5 into, okay, how many 5 is there? 2 5s are 10, remaining 3 and then 35. 35 means 27. So 5 into 27. Clear? The next one 375. So again you can use the fifth table, means you can put 5 into, how many 5 is here? Okay, 7 5s are 35. So remainder 2 and then here 5. So 25, 5. See 5 into 75. So first you have to split. Then everybody know this 27 is nothing but 3 cube. Right? Write this 5. Here this 75 means again the fifth table is possible or third table is possible. Whatever it may be, you can use it. I can take the third table. Okay. See how many 3 is here. 2 3s are 6. The remainder 1, 15 is here. 5 3s are 15. Okay. So 25. 3 into 25. Now see here. How can you write in this 25 5 square? So 5 into 3 cube into 5 into 3 into 5 square. See the 5 into 5 into 5 squared means you have to write 5 power 1 plus 1 plus 2. Okay. Into, in this one 3 power, here 3, here 1. So 3 plus 1. Now you have to write 5 power 1 plus 1 plus 2 means 4 into 3 power 4. Now see here, base is different but order is same. So which formula you can use it? Now directly you can use 5 3s are 15. Okay. Write this power 4. So your answer is 15 power 4. Clear? See, first you have to factorize in this 135 into 375. See, this 135 means you can write 5 into 27. In this one 5 into 75. Everybody know this 27 means 3 cube. Here now you have to factorize in this 75 means 3 into 25. Next see here, in this 25 you have to write 5 squared. See, next you have to take in this 5, 5, 5, see 5 squared, see the power you can add because of the all base is equal. So 5 power 1 plus 1 plus 2. Here 3 cube into 3. So you can put 3 power 3 plus 1. See here 5 power, this one is 4 into 3 power 4. See here the base is different but order is same. So you can multiple the base. So 5 3s are 15. So order you can write only one time. So your answer is 15 power 4. Okay. The next problem. 9 into 5184. Okay, see here, how can you split in that one? First you have to 9. The ninth table is possible or not, you can check it. So you can put 9 into, how many 9 is here? 9 5s are 45. Already 9 is here, so 9 5s are 45. Remaining 6 and then take 8. How many 9 is in this? 68, 7. Okay, 7 9s are 63 and then remainder 5. Take this 4. How many 9 is here? 6. 9 6 are 54. Clear? Now 9 into 9. Again you can take the ninth table. It is possible or not, you can check it. Okay, so put 9 into, how many 9 is in this? 57. 6 9s are 54. The remainder 3 and then take this 6. How many 9 is here? 4. Okay. Now everybody know 9 into 9 into 9 into 64 means you can write 8 into 8. See, the base is same, so add to the power. Into 8 power 1 plus 1. Now 9 cube into 8 square. Okay. See, you will get 9 cube into 8 square means everybody know this 9 is 3 square. Right? So you can put 3 square. Right in this 3. 8 means 2 cube. Right? This square. See here a power m power n means a power m into n. So 3 power 2 into 3. Into 2 power 3 into 2. Now you have to see 3 power 2 3s are 6 into 2 power 3 2s are 6. In this one base is different but order is same. So you can multiply. See what is that? 3 2s are 6 and then put 6. So your answer is 6 power 6. Clear? See, first you can write in this 9. First you have to factorize for in this 5184. See how many 9 is here? 9 into here 5. Okay, 5 9s are 45. Remaining 6 68 means 7 9s are 63. Remainder 5 54 means 6 9s are 54. Again you can use the ninth table. You will get 9 into 64. Everybody knows 64 means 8 into 8. Now see here, base is same, so add to the power. The same condition you can apply this 8. Now here 9 cube into 8 square. See, everybody know the 9 means 3 square, put in this 3. 8 means 2 cube, write in this 2. See here 2 into 3, 3 power, okay. And this one 2 power 3 into 2. See, 3 power 2 3s are 6, 2 power 3 2s are 6. Here base is different. So, but order is same. So, you can multiply the base first. 3 2s are 6. So, order only one time you have to write. So, your answer is 6 power 6. Okay. Now, we see the next one. State true or false and give reason for your answer. Okay. See the first question. What is that? 2 power 0 plus 3 power 0 plus 4 power 0 equal to 8. So first you have to say true or false. After that you have to give the reason for the given question. Okay. See here. What is the answer? 2 power 0. Everybody know the laws of exponent. Anything power 0, what is the value? That means a power 0, what is the value? 1. So you can put 1. Here also the same condition. So put 1. Here also the same condition. You have to put 1. Is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1. The value is 3. So your answer is 3. So we can say the given problem is true. Okay. The next problem. See here, I have to write in this place. 9 power 0 minus 1 power 0 equal to 0. This answer is right or wrong. You can check it. Okay. Solution. Anything power 0, the value is what? 1. Minus anything power 0, the value is 1. See here, 1 minus 1, what is that answer? 0. So your answer is right. So we can say the given statement is true. Okay. See the next one. 2 power 0 into 3 power 0 into 4 power 0 equal to 24. Okay. This is the answer. This is right or wrong. You can check. Anything power 0, we know that 1. Into symbol is here. The previous, that means in this problem is plus symbol, but in this one is into symbol. Okay. So into 3 power 0 value 1 into 4 power 0 value 1. So 1 into 1, what is your answer? 1. So this is your answer. But in your question is this one, your answer is 24. This is wrong. So we can say this is false. Everybody clear? The next problem. 16 power 0 plus 12 power 0 into 16 power 0 plus 12 power 0 is greater than 82. First you can check the answer. Okay. So what is that? Anything power 0 value 1 plus anything power 0 value 1 into here also put 1 plus 1 is greater than 82 means what is that? 64. So wait, 1 plus 1 2, here 1 plus 1 2. See which is greater than 8 in 8 squared means 8 into 8 64. See what is that? 2 into 2 4 is greater than 64. No, this is wrong. 64 is the greatest value. Okay, so your answer is wrong. Okay, so we can say the solution is false. the given statement is false. Clear? The next one. Fill in the boxes. See here, the first one, okay, 2 power, you have to find the power, into 2 cube, but your answer is 2 power 10. Okay, how can you find in that one? See here, everybody know the formula. What is the formula? A power m into a power n means a power m plus n. Okay, base is the same means you can add to the power. See, what is your question? 2 power, you don't know that. 2 cube means 2 power 10 is here. That means you can add to the power. So what is this one? Okay, already 3 is here, but your answer is 10 means, so which value you need? 7. So you can write 7 plus 3. Okay, so 7 plus 3 means 2 power 10. So what is the answer? Your answer is 7. Clear? Right. The next one. 3 power 4 power 6 equal to 3 power what? Okay, see here, how can you find in that solution? Everybody know this, a power m power n. Okay, what is the answer? A power mn is your formula. So you can use it. See, what is that? 3 power 4 power 6 means you can write 3 power 4 into 6. So what is 4 into 6? 24. You need in this 24, right? So your answer is 24. The next problem. See here. 12 power, you can find the solution, power 4. Means the right hand side answer is 1. See, how can you find the solution? See, 2 power, the which value you need. See, here answer is 1. That means equal to 1. The right hand side is 1. You can find the box value. How can you find it? See, the right hand side is 1 means everybody know that anything power 0 is 1 means anything power 0 equal to 1. Okay, so this is the answer. This is the laws of exponent formula. Sorry, a power 0 equal to 1 is laws of exponent formula. Okay, so here you can use it this one. You can use, suppose in this box for 0 means 4 is equal to anything power 0. What is that value? 1. 1 power 4. What is 1 power 4? 1. Okay, you got the right hand side result. So you can put the symbol is 0 for in this box. So your answer is 0. Clear? Now see the next problem. 5 squared into 5 cube divided by 5 power 5 is equal to 5 power what? Okay, see, we know that base is the same means add to the power. Okay, you can write the left hand side first. Add to the power. That means 5 power 2 plus 3 divided by 5 power 5. We can say 5 power 2 plus 3 means 5 divided by 5 power 5. See here, you can write in this one 5 power 5 minus 5. See, what is 5 power 5 minus 5? 0. So, what is your answer? 0 is your answer. Clear? Thank you.